Jinny, Jerry, and Fred.
Fanfare.
Do you know? Whenever P and H come together, they make a completely different sound. Like letter F. Let me show you some examples. Alphabet. Whenever we say the word alphabet, you hear the sound but it is not F. It is PH. Bet. Dolphin. In. You hear as in F, but you write as in PH. Here comes the next one. Phone. We say for F, but we write PH for phone. Elephant. Same rule. PH. Trophy. It is not F. It is PH. Microphone. It is not F. It is PH. Wow! Here comes my favorite game. Spin the wheel. Whenever the arrow stops on the picture, you have to tell the spelling. Let's play! Do you know the spellings of this one? Here is the correct spelling. PH is coming. Correct. Let's spin it again. Maybe you'll get something easier this time. Can you spell this one? Come on! You can do it. Here comes the spelling. All in. Dolphin. If you hear the sound, it is PH. Let it spin again. Oh, look! We have a good one. Can you spell this? Here comes the spelling. E. Trophy is coming as PH. Here comes your last chance. I hope you do great this time. Ooh, what is this? This might be new to you. This is the correct spelling. Graph. PH is coming. Graph is something in which you represent data. What's the rule? There is no rule. I cannot tell you any rule for this. You just have to practice and read more. That is the mantra. Keep learning.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you